Hello guys, good evening. I just want to do a brief breakdown on the trades I took today. So coming to the market on my 15-minute time frame, higher time frame, I analyzed the trend. I saw that it's from here a change of character to the downside, high, low, under change of character. So I knew that from this place I'm now in an uptrend. You understand? So now this uptrend, reading the structure on this 15 minutes, I can read it from as a low, as a high, a low, a high, a low, expecting it to come break this high. But as you can see, the market struggled off. It's like it's failing to break this high here. It's failing to break this high. You see, and this long aggressive candle coming down. That's why I marked this high with this arrow that if you break the high, then it's coming up, and if you break the low, then it's going down. You understand? That's why I marked the structure like that. Now and I'll go into my entry time frame, my lower time frame, 3 minutes, to see a clearer structure, you understand, of what is happening. So when coming to my 1 minute, you see, I reanalyze the trend again. This what is the last high, right? Something like this. So that is what where market change character. So I'm playing all here to here is one leg, a pullback, a break with body. This low now is supposed to be a strong low, but what happened to that low? It failed. See, from change of character to another change of character to a downtrend now what after that change of character, what happened? Here we become my what strong POI to hold the market, this pullback, to take it down. You understand? So now remember, in my previous I mentioned talked about internal structure and fractal structure. No matter the time frame, all these things are true in them. If it's 3 minutes, they have its internal structure and its fractal structure. Let me show you some example. This push here is an internal structure. You see, change of character to change of character. But what are within this change of character? Fractal movements. Right? Now again, this is one leg. But what is within that one leg? Fractal movement. Even this pullback, what is here? Fractal movement. You understand? So within the internal structure, I know this high is a strong high to potentially hold the trade to push it down. Now within this fractal structure, now with this leg is a one leg, right? So this pullback here is a complex structure into this POI to push it down. Now this complex structure broke here, change of character, like this, the internal structure change character to a downtrend. Even its fractal structure, like alignment upon alignment. This is kind of thing I call confluence or confirmation. Like your overall structure is telling you down, your internal structure or the smaller micro structure is still telling you down. You get my point? That's why I set this place as my POI, then expecting market to pull back into it, see my confirmation entry, then I take the sell to the downside. So that was my analysis. Now market, as I said the last time, market always does what it wants to do. You understand? Typical example is this chart. So remember this high, let me bring that to this high was the high I was expecting market to pull back into from here, then see my confluence to enter, right? Good. What happened here? On going up, market has failed to take the high. It came back, it swept, it still failed to take it. You see, after it came back and broke and closed with body, my confluence, I see this one of my entry conferences. As it break and close this last red candle with body, I entered there, put my stop loss above the candle, that they're above the pullback, the valid pullback, and target my 1:2. So that is how I took this first trade, and this is how it played out. So after taking this trade, the next trade, I remember when I said I saw this expecting the market to come down overall as a structure, right? Because you see change character, POI, right? What is this? Liquidity. So I expected all those liquidity to go, but the market is not my own, so I just take what I need. 1:2 is more than enough for me, right? So this second trade I entered because I saw this sweep. Remember what I used to say, that after you sweep, I need to show an engulfing candle, like the candle that swept, this green candle. I need to see that candle engulfed. I saw my entry there, my entry confirmation there. That's why I took this second trade, put my stop loss below it, targeting this high to go. Why that high? I saw this as relative high. What is there? Liquidity. So that is why I took my second trade. Clean and simple. And how did it play out? This is a 15-minute view. How did it play out? It took me out with stop loss. Even if you look at the 15-minute view, you see why did that trade take me out? It's because higher time frame. As we all know, the higher time frame is stronger than lower time frame. The higher time frame didn't engulf. This clean move you see me take here, I will take it anytime. But minding the fact that it didn't work now because the higher time frame is stronger and the higher time frame refuse to follow. I used to make one statement: if before a higher time frame move, lower time frame will always start that move. So this sweep here, the lower time frame started, but the higher time frame was like, no, I don't want to go yet. You see, that is why that trade came back and took me out. Okay, after that trade, no problem. The next trade I took was, after that loss, I still saw that okay, the market is the higher time frame refused to go, so I believe it's showing more downside. The higher time frame is like, I want to go down more. Okay, so the structure is still reading. I remember after the break of structure, so I'm reading from here, but within this here itself, there is still what? Fractal structures. You understand my point? Now, reading the fractal, I entered this way just based on the fractal structures. What is this? Low, high, low, high, low. Remember, all of them are breaking with body. It's a pullback into this POI. After that pullback, why did I enter? I entered because of what? This engulfing candle there. And why did I enter? Because of the engulfing, not just because of engulfing, because it was a straight push. This is one of my entry confirmation. One of my entry things I used to look for. After a straight push into a POI, engulfing candle is enough for me to enter the trade. So after the engulfing candle, I entered the trade, and this is how it played out. So this was the trade I took. I believe, and I hope you guys I was clear enough, and you guys maybe we pick one or two things from it. Thank you.